Estonia, one of the most digitally advanced with an advanced high-income economy and the fastest growing developed country in Europe. And today I'm here in its capital city, Tallinn. The city is known for its highest number of startups and is a birthplace of many international high-technology companies such as Skype and TransferWise. Not only that, it is the home to European Union's IT agency and NATO Cyber Defense Center of Excellence. That's the reason it has been listed among the top 10 digital cities in the world. Contrary to this, Tallinn is equally classic, the best preserved medieval cities in Europe, and is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And this is another viewpoint of Tallinn. It's not that high, but the view from here still look amazing. I know there are many delicious Estonian food to try, but we only have time to eat just one takeaway meal on the way, and I would probably regret for not trying Estonian food. So we followed the reviews on TripAdvisor and came to eat this pizza. And let me tell you this, the pizza was so good. The most exciting thing that I like about this city is how nicely old and modern periods are combined together in one place. The capital is country's cultural hub. Its walled cobblestone old town, cafes, shops, arts, and its astounding churches are something you are never going to get enough of it. I wish I had more time to explore more deeper in details about this city and the country. But unfortunately, my journey to Baltic countries ends here for now. And I am so much looking forward to come back again to explore even more. So that's it for today. I will see you in next episode from another country. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more travel videos from around the world.
Whole town is crazy. It's way much better than Riga. Everybody says it's like very similar, the same. Man, it is not. It's like completely different. You got so many things to see and it's all so beautiful. And you definitely gotta visit it.